have a video for Jess, the door closer doctor. This closer has issues. It likes to fall down. Now I know that this needs to be tightened, this bolt right here, but is there anything I should keep in mind when doing it? As you can see, that likes to hang down.
How you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Good, thanks.
As a result, the door doesn't close without help. Drop the camera. Come on. So as I say, I know this needs to be tightened. I did it once already. It's coming loose again. Anything I should keep in mind, Jess, about fixing that? Any pointers? By chance? You're our door closer expert, so I would very much appreciate your input about how to light's playing havoc with the camera. How to fix this. I assume it's something simple, just, tightening it, but should I, take a like a socket to it and tighten it all the way up, or is it supposed to be like a set screw or something? So that's what we've got for you. Thanks for watching.